If you're trying to organize your notes, projects, or ideas, you've probably heard of Evernote, Notion, and Obsidian. But which one is right for you? Each of these apps has its strengths, and choosing the best one depends on how you like to work. Let's start with Evernote. Evernote is a classic note-taking app that shines when it comes to capturing all kinds of content. You can save text notes, PDFs, images, audio clips, and even web pages. Its search function is powerful. It can even search inside attachments. Evernote is simple, reliable, and works well if your main goal is to store and retrieve information quickly, especially if you like notebooks and tags for organization. Next up is Notion, which is much more than a note-taking app. Notion is an all-in-one workspace where you can create databases, to-do lists, calendars, wikis, and pages. Its block-based system lets you mix text, tables, images, and more in one document. Notion is excellent for collaboration, making it ideal for teams, projects, or even personal life organization if you want everything connected in one place. The flexibility is amazing, but it comes with a learning curve, especially if you want to build complex workflows or dashboards. Finally, there's Obsidian, which takes a different approach. Obsidian is built for knowledge management and uses Markdown files stored locally on your device. One of its most powerful features is the graph view, which shows how your notes link together, forming a web of ideas. If you like to connect thoughts, track research, or build a second brain, Obsidian is unmatched. It also has a huge plugin ecosystem, giving you complete control over how your workspace works. The downside is it's more geared towards solo use, and collaboration features are limited. So, which one should you pick? If you want simple, searchable note storage, go with Evernote. If you want a flexible, all-in-one productivity hub, Notion is your best bet. And if you're building a personal knowledge network, Obsidian is the way to go. Each app excels in its own niche, so think about how you work and what you need most. If this comparison helped you figure out which tool fits your workflow, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more productivity tips and tech tutorials.